Welcome to AAI Oriental Mix. Today we'll make a healthy homemade Lebanese bread with poppy seeds and cinnamon. Let's go!
In a bowl, add 75 ml of water, a sprinkle of salt, around 1 teaspoon, 38 grams of sourdough, or you can use 7 grams of dry yeast, followed by a teaspoon of honey or date sugar, which is helpful against diabetes. Mix until the sourdough is melt, and then add 135 grams of whole wheat flour. Now mix well until you get a smooth and homogeneous dough. Do you like cooking? I do, and I like to share my recipes with you, because cooking brings us together. You can also send the recipe to someone who loves bread, like me. You can switch from the bowl to a table, such as the table it's easier for kneading. Where are you watching me from? Let me know in the comments. You can make sourdough by using a piece of the dough we are preparing. If you like the recipe, please let me know. A smooth dough like that. You can make it a ball, put inside the bowl, and cover it with a towel. Then let it rest for 10 minutes in a dry place.
So, take back your dough and put 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. Followed by cinnamon. You can put as many as you like, I put 1 teaspoon also. Then knead for mix all the ingredients into the dough. Then add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and knead again for incorporating it. Then shape the dough like a ball to help it rising and put it inside the bowl. Cover it with plastic wrap or a towel. Then store it in a dry place, like an oven turned off. Then let it rise from 3 to 12 hours depending if you use dry yeast or sourdough. Put a sprinkle of flour on the table and take back your dough. And look how much it has risen. Then split the dough in 2 portions and form 2 balls by stretching the dough using the frictions between your palm and the dough. Then let the balls rest for 10 minutes. Take back one of the balls and put some flour on top of it. Then flour also the rolling pin and roll out the balls into a flat disc. Make sure it doesn't stick. If it does, just add some flour. It should be around 1 cm thick. Just like that. Let the discs rest for 10 minutes. Heat a pan over medium-low heat, and once hot, put a bread disc inside. Don't overcook it, just flip it to the other side. Let it cook around 30 seconds and then flip, around 4 times. Once cooked, wrap it inside a towel to keep it warm, and repeat the process with the other bread discs. Finally, our bread is ready. It is very soft to the touch and it smells amazing. It has also this little pocket for easy filling. And it tastes delicious and healthy.
Shukran for watching. Leave a comment about your slimming journey, we'd love to hear your progress. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next healthy bread recipes. And I'll see you in the next video inshallah. With love and marakah, Chef Chano and Coach Murad.